Hey guys, so I did a poll on Instagram today and asked if you wanted to see the fairy loot box or the witch casket box, and witch casket actually won, which was a bit of a surprise to me because everyone always asks me to do the fairy loot box, but like I said, witch casket won, so that is what I'm doing today. So this is April's box. I will do fairy loot maybe next time or the time after that. I actually really love this one. I wasn't super impressed with last month's box because it was all brown, which was really weird to me. But the theme of this one is like black and red, which I really like. So when you open it up, looks like this inside. There's some leaflets on top and stuff. Now I have kind of scanned over what's in this box, so I do kind of know what's inside, but I've not properly looked at everything. So it is a little tiny bit of a surprise, but not fully. So the first thing we have is our print. You seem to always get a print. I actually quite like this one. It's like a little potion bottle with some crystals around it and stuff. So there is that. And then there is this, which says, "My little book of spells, when nothing is sure, everything is possible." It's a discount code for hex planners. Never heard of that before, but they do have a website, which is www.basichexes.com. It just says it's a magical planner to organise daily tasks, etc. A little bit weird, like I said, never heard of it, but I'll definitely check them out. Then we have another print, which is this one. Not sure which way it's supposed to go, but it's like a crescent moon with a hand and a snake. And then we have our little card of contents, what's inside. So it says, "This month we focus on magical potions, brews and elixirs." So that is what this month's kind of theme is. I'm not going to really read it off here unless I need to, but there is that. So the first thing we have right on the top is our kind of spell. Sometimes you get these, sometimes you don't. So this one is a negativity banishing potion, which sounds pretty cool. It says contains all the magical ingredients you need to create a negativity banishing potion. So I'm going to open this now and see what is in here. Okay, so it says for this potion, so there's this, it says, "For this potion you will need herb blend, raspberry leaf, dandelion root and Irish moss, safety pin, water and pan." So it says you heat the water in a pan and stir the herbs and the safety pin, allow to simmer. As the potion simmers, chant the following: "A potion to banish all that's wrong, negativity and misfortune be gone. Attract to me love and light, a potion to bring all that's right." After simmering for 10 minutes, turn off the heat and allow to cool. Strain the potion, pour into a suitable potion bottle. Now, you can now pin the safety pin discreetly inside your clothing to take extra protection everywhere you go. The potion can be used as a floor wash, a perfume or a room spray. So that's pretty cool. And here we have this, which I'm going to assume is probably the dandelion root, because it's kind of like a thick, like woody sort of stuff. We have this, which I'm going to assume is maybe the Irish moss, or I could have that the wrong way around, I'm not sure, but this. And then we have this, oh wait, no, actually maybe that's raspberry leaf. Is this Irish moss? Because this is green. And this is raspberry leaf, maybe? Sorry, they're not focusing very well. There we go. I don't know. But we have these three anyway. So you're supposed to mix these with water, and then this is your little safety pin here. So that is everything in our little potion kit, which is really cute. Next, we have something that kind of links to that a little bit and is also very cute. And that is this. Now, this is a skull potion bottle. The quintessential way to store your magical oils, potions, brews, infusions, and elixirs. And it's just like a black glass, like this is really heavy actually, a glass bottle. It's quite big. Doesn't say how much it holds though. Maybe, does this say? No, doesn't say how much you can fit in it, but it is really cool though. It has like a child safety lid kind of thing. and a glass dropper. And yeah, I just think this is really cool. Even as an ornament, that's really cool, but you can put literally anything you want in there. You could even put like things that you use daily in there, you know, like face oils, hair oils, anything you want. So there is that. Next we have these. I've had so many of these. I wish people would stop sending these in boxes, but I guess it's just one of those witchy things. We have some more incense cones. These are Vampire's Kiss. Again, I think I must have about 4 boxes of this exact scent now. I literally never use them and they smell a little bit like soap. Don't love them. But some more of these. Then we have our gemstone. This one is really pretty. And it's a cherry quartz. So, looks like this. Has a really cool pattern inside it, and it's kind of like a pale reddish pink kind of colour. So this says, cherry quartz is great for the heart chakra. It heals emotional wounds and can help with anger issues. Also thought to aid concentration, it's perfect stone for studying for exams. So, very cute. I don't think I've ever really seen one of these. Not that I'm aware of anyway. I probably have, but I didn't know cherry quartz was a thing. So, really like that one. Then next we have our pin. We always seem to get a pin. And it's this little one. A Witch Casket exclusive. It's quite small. Just looks like a little potion bottle kind of thing. Then we have our scroll, which I always seem to destroy when I'm opening. I kind of wish they didn't put these stickers on it, but oh, I've actually opened that really neatly. Wow, okay. So this is what it looks like. I might, well, yeah, I'll read it out. I was going to say I might not read it, but if you don't want to listen to it, then you can just skip it. This one is about potions, brews, infusions, and elixirs. Enchanted infusions that can be used in a variety of ways. Drinking. You should only drink a potion if you're 100% sure that all the ingredients are of a culinary grade and you are not allergic to any of them. When it comes to consuming potions, proceed with care. We strongly advise against giving someone else a potion or elixir. Without their consent, it can be dangerous, which I feel like is, you know, kind of obvious a little bit. If you're making a potion to drink, you can use all sorts of things as a base, wine, juice, or water. You can also add in non-consumable ingredients, such as crystals, to lend the potion power, so long as you remove them before drinking. But again, if you do this, you must ensure that whatever you're adding can't leak toxins into the potion. Fair enough. Spray. You can spray the potion as a perfume or a room spray or a pillow spray. Anointing. You can use your magical potions to anoint candles or altar tools to add magical energy to your spell work. Floor and door wash. Potions can be used to rub down doors and door frames or as a floor wash, depending on their purpose. This could prevent negative vibes from entering your home or welcome love, health, wealth, etc. Since you know what you're putting into your potion, you should think carefully about how these ingredients could affect your woodwork or upholstery before proceeding. As you can see, potion making is a serious business and should be practiced with extreme care, but potions are a great way to bring magical properties of many ingredients and blend them together in a very powerful magical concoction. So that is what this says. I'm actually going to get a little folder and start keeping these in them because I don't know, they're pretty cute. I quite like these. I know they're a little bit like silly and obvious and stuff, but I think they're pretty sweet. So I'm going to get like a little A4 folder and put those in there. We still have a couple of things left actually. So next we have some tea. Again, you usually always get a tea. And I don't actually really know how you say the name of this one, so I'm going to absolutely butcher it. But like rooibos? No idea. It just says a red bush plant from South Africa. So there we go. The last one we got was called Caravan Tea, and I was really excited to try it because it was like a normal tea that you add sugar and milk to, and it was absolutely disgusting. Literally couldn't even drink it, had to throw it away. It smelt like dog biscuits. So I am a little bit cautious of these now because the last one was so bad, but I will definitely give it a go. It looks like it's going to be fruity. It might not be at all, but just it's got like a red tinge to it and that makes me think of fruit, but I guess we will see. Next we have a big item and it is this cup which says "What's your poison?" on it with a little skull. And then on the other side it says "Which casket?" It's kind of like one of those hot drink cups, like a travel cup. Doesn't say, like, does it say? Let me see. It doesn't actually say whether it's for hot or cold drinks, but I'm just assuming that it's for hot drinks because it has like a little steam hole, and this is generally what hot drink cups look like. If they're cold ones, they usually have a straw. But I really like this. I have an absolute obsession with cups for some reason. I have millions of them, so I always appreciate a cute cup. So I will definitely use that. And then we have two things left. So the first thing is this, which is a magical potion pendant. Perfect way to carry your magical potions with you discreetly and stylishly. So it's a bit of a shame that it doesn't come on a chain. It is just the actual pendant part, but it does come with the little like pipette thing to fill it up with, which is very useful. I'm going to assume it unscrews maybe? Yeah, so it unscrews up here at this metal part at the top. And you can put whatever liquid in there you want, I guess. I was looking at this box with my mum yesterday, and the first thing, weirdly, that popped into my mind when I saw this was if you're with someone, like you're dating, you're married, whatever, you could put their blood in there and wear it as a necklace. To me, in my head, that was romantic. My mum didn't seem to think the same, but I think that's adorable. I would definitely wear my boyfriend's blood, although it might go a little crispy in there. Would it dry out and go crispy? I don't know. But anyway, I mean, I don't have a boyfriend to wear his blood. That could also be a problem, but it's not for that anyway. It's for potions. But I think that's really cute though. Like, what a cute way to carry magical things around with you. You could put anything in there. You could put like little tiny crystal chips or anything. I really like it. So there is that. And then the last thing that we have is in this little bag which says Casket Crew on. They always do these little bags and they're really cute. The one problem I have with this product is that I can't read what it says on here. It's so faded. So I will try my absolute best, but it's really faded. So let's see. It says, oh, by the way, totally missing out the main part. This is what else came in the bag. It's a pendulum on a chain, so you could definitely wear it as a little necklace, which is really cute. I actually think it would make a really cute necklace, but that isn't kind of the point that they've put it in here as. They've put it in as a different thing. So it says, the string, chain or cord of the pendulum should be held between your thumb and forefinger in whichever hand feels the most comfortable. Hold the pendulum over the center of the pendulum board, then run your other hand down the length of the pendulum chain or cord, bringing your hand to rest with the bottom tip of the pendulum in your upturned palm. Sorry, I'm really concentrating. The pendulum should now be completely still, and you can move the hand away from the bottom of the pendulum. If the pendulum moves, let it settle and become still. Then you can ask the pendulum questions and see which answer on the board the pendulum swings towards. While some people try to communicate with the spirit... Can't speak at all. While some people try to communicate with the spirit realm using a pendulum, this is something we strongly advise against, which again is fair enough. So on this little board there is answers. So it says, I can't even see, it says yes, maybe, no, unknown, yes, maybe, no, unknown, all the way around it. So basically what it's saying is you hold it like this, over this, ask questions and see which one it swings towards, which again is very cute. So that was everything in this month's Witch Casket. Like I said, I really loved this box. I think this was probably one of my favourite boxes of theirs. Last month's I didn't like at all. The first 2 boxes I got from them I liked, and I really loved this one. So just going to do a quick overview again of everything we got. So we got the little scroll, which I'm going to put down so I don't crease, the pin, the prints, the tea, the incense, the little magical potion pendant, the cup. I'm definitely not going to be able to hold all this stuff. The negativity like potion kit, this discount code for the hex planner, the gemstone, the pendulum kit, and this big glass skull bottle. So all of this stuff here, and then all of these things here. So yeah, like I said, definitely one of my favourite boxes of theirs. There was loads of really cool stuff in there, in my opinion. This box I think is about £27, so I think that was a really good price personally for everything that came in this box. And I will leave the info down below if you want to go check them out. I hope you really enjoyed this video anyway, and if you did, please subscribe. Like I said, I'll be doing fairy loot very soon. I actually really don't like this month's fairy loot, which is so typical because I never buy it, and the 1 month I'm excited for it, I just don't like it. But yeah, anyway, I hope you liked this one, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.